throw it in the microwave for a few seconds, roll that joker up, bam, you got your lunch right there. All right, so I got a great question. I know you're at home mostly, but could you please do a video with some ideas for brown bag lunches? Man, I got you covered. Because look, sometimes we just need the quickest meal possible. You're going to work, something you could put in like a brown bag or a lunchbox or something like that, take with you to work or take with you on the road or whatever you're doing. Because if you don't stay ready, you're going to end up grabbing something you shouldn't be grabbing. So if you stay ready, man, it makes it much easier. I'm gonna show you some items I like to use, I like to keep in stock that I use on a daily basis. I'm at home, but the thing is, I'm in and out all day long, you know, picking the kids up here and there, going here and there. I'm always on the go. So I got to stay ready with a lot of these snacks. So what I'm gonna show you is some ideas that you can use, try to get your protein, but also to try to get you to your next meal. And also snacks that just help you get throughout the day so you don't go making those choices you shouldn't be making that's gotten you in the position that you're in right now. So check some of these ideas out. Let me know what are some of your brown bag snacks or brown bag meals you like to use. Put those in the comments so we can all learn from each other, so we can all get ideas and we can all get better together. All right, but let me show you some of these ideas real quick and let me know what you think on this. All right, first up, one of my easiest ideas that you can pack anywhere, you can take anywhere, you can travel with these, go to work, so simple as these right here. All right, these tuna packets come in clutch. You're gonna get your protein. They pack so easily. I mean, look how thin they are. Okay, now this one right here, 15 grams of protein in this one right here. Okay, now this is the hot buffalo. I like hot stuff, so I'll go with the hot buffalo, but they have so many different flavors. You don't have to go with the hot buffalo. If you want to, you can just go with the regular one. This one has 17 grams of protein. And the thing about this, you can use mustard, you can use light mayo, you can use avocado mayo, whatever you want to do, just measure it out, okay? Hold yourself accountable. You can just put this in a bowl, mix it together, and you got your 17 grams of protein right there real quick while you're at work, while you're at home, wherever you're at, okay? Bumblebee also has the spicy chili. Come on now. I'm trying to tell you, there's so many different flavors you can get. Just go to your local store, Walmart, Target, your local grocery store, they have these. All right, these are clutch. Grab you a few of these to get you through work. So let me show you some of the options you can use to use with these. All right, now one of the ways I like having those tuna, if you don't have any bread available but you might have a microwave at work, man, go get you some of these right here. All right, these 0 carb tortillas. Even if you're not no carb, these are great because they're nice and soft. Now all you're gonna do is just use whichever one of these you wanna use. If you just mix this up in a bowl, put it in a tortilla and heat it up real quick, I'm trying to tell you, let me know. Let me know. Try it out and you let me know. It tastes great. All right, I mean, just the flavor of it, and the great thing about it is just so simple. All right, you take this, you take one of these to work. Like I said, you don't even have to heat it up. It's already soft enough as it is. It just tastes a little bit better heated up. If you got a microwave at work, throw it in the microwave for a few seconds, roll that joker up, bam, you got your lunch right there. All right, I mean, it can't get any easier than that, right? But try it out. Let me know what you think. If you don't have bread, go with something like this, okay? If you do want to go with bread, one bread I can recommend is the Sara Lee, the white bread that, I don't know, there's just something about that bread. It is so good. All right, try that bread out if you can find it. It's at most grocery stores. I found it at most grocery stores. But if you happen to be at Walmart, go look for this right here, Sola bread. This is probably my favorite bread right here. Sola, sweet and buttery. This stuff is great. I carry this around in my bag with me, okay, throughout the day. It's so simple. One thing I like to do is just grab me a slice. If I have a sweet tooth, I grab me a slice of this and I put a little bit of honey on there, or I put a little bit of 4 fruits jelly on there, and that knocks out the sweet tooth, all right? Because, I mean, look at here, one slice is only 40 calories, 4 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber in one slice. All right, so it's a great way to knock out your sweet tooth, but we're talking about lunch here. So if you want to, just take you one of these, mix it up however you want to do it, all right, and put it on this bread right here. If you can find this bread, you go try it out, all right? Let me know in the comments what you think. If you've had this bread, let me know in the comments if you like it or not. Pretty sure you're gonna like it because if you've had it, it is so good. All right, look for this one right here, the Sola Sweet and Buttery. Like I said, I'm at Walmart. You can find it at Walmart. Now, my next favorite bread, if you're at Walmart, again, look for this right here. Sola has a protein bread. Come on now, protein bread. One slice of this protein bread, 10 grams of protein, one slice, all right? Man, you mess around and make a sandwich using this, 2 slices of bread. Come on now, you got your high protein lunch with the quickness, all right? But that's if you can find this bread. Sola has a protein bread. If you can't find Sola protein bread, that's fine, but be on the lookout for it, okay? It is great. I highly recommend it. Let me know if you've had this before. Sola protein bread. It's a great way to get your protein in. I've used this for French toast in the morning, high protein French toast. Come on now, 2 slices of this, you're gonna have you 20 grams of protein with the quickness, okay? I'm trying to tell you. Check out, if you can find this high protein Sola bread, go get it, go grab it, all right? But if not, if you can find this one, go grab this one too, or just grab both. I'm trying to tell you, it is so good, okay? Let me know if you've had these, because they are great, all right? Okay, one other thing, since we're already talking about Sola, if you're at Walmart and they have the Sola bread, they probably have the bagels. I can't recommend these enough, okay? These bagels are amazing, all right? It's a great way to get fiber. It's just a great, we can have these throughout the day anytime. You don't have to have them for breakfast. I have them all the time throughout the day. I have before the gym, after the gym, it don't matter, all right? So if you can, I have to recommend these bagels. If you can find them, you can take them to work with you. Take one bagel to work with you. Take your little packet of honey and you are good to go. Go try them out, okay? If you've tried these, you let me know. If not, go try them out and then let me know, okay? Let's talk about a few snacks you can pack in your brown bag, all right? These right here are great. If you've tried these, let me know. These are, the good thing about these is that you're gonna get you some healthy fats, but also it's easy to track, all right? One of these is 100 calories. So you know you're only getting 100 calories, okay? So let's say one of these packs, one pouch is 100 calories, 7 grams of fat, 3 grams of protein, 7 grams of carbs, okay? So this is a great thing to put in your brown bag and take to work with you, or just, you know, if you're in the car and you're waiting out, you know, waiting to pick up the kids or something like that, and you're starving, grab you one of these, grab your carbonated water, grab your A&W root beer, and it will knock out your hunger. I'm trying to tell you, it'll get you to your next meal. Go grab you one of these instead of grabbing you something you shouldn't be grabbing, all right? But keep these in stock, man. These are great, all right? These are one of my other favorite ones, these pistachio bags, a little bit higher calorie. These right here are 130 calories, around 12 grams of fat, all right? So make sure you can fit it into your personal diet, but this is a great way. If this is gonna keep you from eating something you shouldn't be eating throughout the day, then that's a win in my book, all right? So grab you one of these, put it in your lunchbox, take it with you, put it in your gym bag, put it, you know, whatever, take it with you wherever you go, add a carbonated water to it, and it will get you to your next meal. I can almost guarantee it, all right? But these are great. I keep these in stock all the time, all right? So definitely check these out. Another one of my favorite go-tos, I keep these all the time. I have them in my gym bag right now. I have them in my vehicle. I can't recommend them enough. Is these right here, Chomps beef sticks, man, come on now. You take you that tuna fish to work, you take your Chomp beef stick, take you two. Okay, each one is 100 calories with 10 grams of protein. Come on now, you can't beat it. Take you two, you got your 20 grams of protein throughout the day. All right, this will hold you down. It'll help you out, help you stay on track, help you reach your protein goals. They taste great. They're so easy to pack. You can take them anywhere with you. All right, take them to work, take them traveling. Like I said, they're always a great snack to have. All right, I can't recommend Chomps enough. They have the regular flavor. They have jalapeno. There's all kinds of different flavors. Okay, go grab you the flavor that you want to grab. But remember, 100 calories, 10 grams of protein. That's a win all the way around. All right, you mix something like this with something like that. Take those. Man, there's no more excuses, all right? You can't make an excuse that you're so hungry at work that you got to go to the vending machine and grab you something. You're going to grab you one of these. It's going to keep you full, all right? That's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to help you with snack options to help you get you throughout the day. These are things you can put in your brown bag and take to work with you, all right? Keep them in stock. I'm trying to tell you. Let me show you one more. All right, the other item I can't recommend enough. These should go in your brown bag for sure, or your vehicle, or wherever you're going, all right? These Quest chips, 19 grams of protein. This is the pizza flavor. Man, if y'all try this pizza flavor, you let me know. This pizza flavor is so good. All right, it's one of my favorite flavors, but there's plenty of different flavors. There's nacho, there's loaded taco, there's all kinds of different kind of flavor, barbecue, but pizza flavor is one of my favorite flavors right here. 19 grams of protein in one bag. You take this with you, make your tuna fish sandwich, have you some chips, you're gonna get your 19 grams of protein, you're gonna get your protein from the tuna fish. There's all kinds of different ways you can do it. You can have this as a mid-morning or mid-afternoon snack. That works great as well. It'll help you get to your next meal. Have you one of these with the Chomps beef stick. It's just an easy way to get your protein, all right? So check these out right here. Quest chips, pizza flavor is my favorite flavor right there. One of my other go-tos is this right here. These David protein bars, these things are amazing. Now the macros on these jokers are good, okay? So check this out. So one bar is 150 calories, 2 grams of fat, 28 grams of protein, all right? And one bar. All right, man, these things are great. So if you can, try out David. If you can find David in most stores that carry them, try them out. 28 grams of protein and 150 calories, that's tough to beat. All right, some really good macros on these. They'll help you hit your protein goals. Great snack. Mid-morning, mid-afternoon, or if you're late to work and you just need something, you need to get out the door, grab your protein bar and head out the door. You get your 28 grams of protein with the quickness, all right? It's just so easy with David, but if you can't find David, the other one I always recommend is this right here, Bell's birthday cake is my favorite flavor right here. These jokers right here, 200 calories, 20 grams of protein, tastes like a candy bar, knocks out a sweet tooth, mid-morning snack, mid-afternoon snack, on the way to work. whatever, however you want to roll. These things are just great. All right. So if you get down with Bear Bells, you let me know. Let me know what your favorite flavor is too. Birthday cake is my favorite flavor. That's just how I roll. What's your favorite flavor if you get down with Bear Bells? Recommend these enough. They're easy to pack. Throw them in your brown bag. You're going to work, you stay ready. All right. So definitely check these out too. Okay. Really, there's tons of different things you can do. I mean, you got Quest bars. This is one of my favorites right here. Chocolate chip cookie dough. Those are so good. I mean, you got your core power. You got these. I always recommend these. There's just so many different options. All right. Section of the store where it has all the protein chips, all the protein bars, the protein drinks. Grab you a few, try them out. Whatever ones fit into your personal goals, grab you a few of those, try them out, and see which ones you like. All right. Okay, so there you have it, some ideas for you. Hopefully these help you out that you can put in your brown bag or your lunch bag or whatever it is that you take to work. These are items that you don't really need to heat up except for that tortilla. You want to heat that joker up with that tuna fish in there, give that a shot. But these are items I like to carry around with me daily when I'm on the road, when I'm in need of a quick option, quick way to get my protein to help me stay on track, to help me get to my next meal. Whatever your goals are, hopefully these items help you out. Let me know in the comments what some of your items are you like to use throughout the day to help you stay on track personally. Remember, like I said, go get you some carbonated water. That really helps too, because it's all about filling your stomach up and helping you get to the next meal and giving yourself different options, okay, to help you stay on track. So hopefully this video provided some value to you. Let me know if it does. And like I said, let me know in the comments what you like to carry around, because I'm always looking for new ideas as well. And I think it'll help everybody else out as well. All right. So I'm going to talk to y'all next time. Let's go.